The 2025 Kia Sorento recently underwent crash tests by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, showing solid performance but falling short in one key area. While it excelled in the original moderate overlap front crash test, it received a marginal rating in the updated test. This revised test now includes rear seat safety by adding a smaller dummy, representing a 12-year-old child or small woman. This addition targets risks like submarining, where the occupant may slide under the lap belt, increasing the likelihood of abdominal injuries. During testing at 40 miles per hour, sensors revealed a moderate injury risk to the head or neck, with the lap belt moving from the pelvis onto the abdomen. Although this impact affected the Sorento's overall rating, it still earned a Top Safety Pick distinction rather than the top-tier Top Safety Pick Plus. The Sorento performed well in other areas, but some adjustments are needed for its highest safety recognition.